Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Denon AH-GC20 and I'm going to show you how to pair these headphones with your iOS device. At first, you have to go into pairing mode. To do this, you just have to hold our finger on this button for 4 seconds. As you can see, we are now connected. Now we can go into the settings of our device. At first we have to scroll down to our control panel, then we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth. Now we have to click Bluetooth settings. Now we have to wait. As you can see, our headphones are there, we have to click on it. And that's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.